how cyber criminals are moving into the mobile world and the techniques that they would use in order to steal information from yours, your friends, your families, your colleagues, your users' mobile devices. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to use everyone's favourite Apple iPhone, often described by many as the most secure device available on the market today. So first things first, you log into your device using the PIN code, you go to your native email, and you find yourself a very inviting email in your inbox. So this is the actual enrollment email that you receive when you register for the Mobile World Congress. Wouldn't it be interesting to modify the enrollment email, change the URL, and then basically packet capture the open traffic on that Wi-Fi looking for clear text email addresses? You could then resend the same email again, but instead of taking you to their website, I'm going to take you to my website instead. I am aiming to entice you as a user into installing my application when you actually believe that it came from somewhere else. I'm on an Apple device, I'm going to go to the App Store and grab the app. However, the security aware amongst us might recognise the fact this is not taking me to the App Store, this is redirecting for a side load of an enterprise application. In English, it's going to stuff the app in the back door using a certificate rather than taking it from the Apple App Store. So next step, the user's probably like, oh, okay, so that's fine. I've now got a mobile conference app. Great, that installed nice and quick. This is all, demo malware. This is in a safe environment. Of course, we've got a big disclaimer in red which says this is going to steal your stuff, because that's exactly what it's going to do. But from the user's perspective, everything's legit. It looks good. I've got my app, I'm happy. And of course, if this was a real app, I could use it in the capacity that it was originally designed for. Mobile applications have something called permissions, and these are permissions which allow the app to interact with other apps or other parts of the operating system or parts of the device. Basically, things like camera, microphone, GPS, etc., etc. So using the permissions that the app has on the device, the attacker can trigger a data collection of information from the victim phone, and I could even hijack the microphone using the permissions of the app to collect covert voice recordings. What I'm trying to communicate to you guys is, what I've done today is show you a very low sophistication social engineering attack that didn't require me to write an exploit to a 0-day or spend $1 million buying it from a black hat organization. I'm not a government hacker, I don't have access to that kind of material, although our research team in Tel Aviv does. What I've done is actually use hack the person approach. So it doesn't matter how secure your operating system is, how secure your measures or your controls are, it's still always the weakest link. And if you don't have any mobile security presence on your device whatsoever, that attack could be successful and remain on the device for a period of weeks, months, or maybe even years. Average refresh on the phones is what, 24-month contract? That could be on the phone for 24 months if it was something more useful in the conference application.